so this will be SiteBox door closer. Good indicator for time to replace is if your door is not closing properly. I'll start by removing top screw, the number 3 Phillips, come out, and then there will be 2 screws, one on each side of a number 2 to remove the cover. You'll need a retention device, crescent wrench, box end wrench, or I've got the arm off of the replacement part to take tension off of the arm here. Let that go. Then there will be 4 screws to remove. Old one comes off. New one will go back right in its place. And we'll step inside. Put this on. All right. And take your tension bar. Apply tension to the bottom side. Get your arm to seat. Take your bottom one off. We'll put the screw back up in on the top. Test to make sure that it closes the door. As long as it closes, put your cover onto your closure. Don't drop your screws. They're small and hard to find. That is a SiteBox door closer.